Now, my parents had just been married. They lived with my grandmother and other siblings and so on. And finally, and my father became a working, both my parents became workers. And finally, they struck out on their own. They moved a block away from my grandmother, and they had their own apartment for a very short time. But they heard about this plan, and they were very enthusiastic, and they scraped together their meager savings, and they became first cooperators. In fact, I have their membership card, and they were number 27 out of 750 families. They were number 27. And they moved in to an apartment in the second court on the fourth floor, a one-bedroom apartment, when my oldest brother, Yossi, was only 5 months old, barely 5 months old. And they lived there for almost the rest of their lives, not entirely, but for very long, well over 50 years.